What's going on, YouTube? What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? What's going on? Took it back on that ass. What's going on, y'all? Here again, back with some heat, some major heat. Hey, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that comment, and hey, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so y'all can get all the notifications when we drop a new video, so y'all know what's going on. Hey, we talking about wheels, deals, steals, collabs, all that good stuff today. And I want to come at y'all and talk y'all about this collab that was just sitting. I don't know if y'all on it, but hey, when you somebody that loves shoes, you always hustling, looking for it. It don't even gotta be the next big thing, but it's something that you like. And that's what this channel was built off. Just something you like. Fuck what everybody else wearing. Wear what you like, wear what you feel, and make sure, one, that they comfortable, man, because ain't nothing like a great, comfortable shoe you can throw on and, hey, get to getting. So, hey, with all that being said, let's unbox these dope-ass shoes, man. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Yes. Y'all see it. We got unboxing here. What we looking at here, man? I don't know. I ain't seen them yet. We're going to get into why I'm saying wheels and deals and steals, because if y'all take y'all time and just go through some of these websites and some of these shoe places, it's shoes out there that's still sitting out there that they adding back to it. And, hey, we're going to make it happen. Hey, and what the hell is going on with Foot Locker? Anyways, we're going to keep it moving. Bam. Yo. Got that box. It's open. Let's go. Alright. Gonna set that to the side. Y'all don't need to see that. It's not for y'all. Trust you not. Be safe. Don't play with knives, kids. Bam. Got some Adidas. All day I dream about. Y'all know about that. Y'all know about that? Shout out to Killer. All day I dream about. All day I dream about. Mike. Yeah, hey. Bam. These Adidas. So, we got a dope collab with Undefeated, Neighborhood, and Adidas, man. And yeah. There y'all go. For y'all that like to know what it is y'all looking at, bam, there you go. Size tag and all that. 12, a size 12 in these boys. Like I said, I haven't seen them in hand. They did have another color of this, but I got enough light shoes, so I didn't go with the light color. I went with a darker color. But like I said, this is my first time seeing them, so let's get into them. Hey, let's get into them. Bam. Woo. Bam. Oh yes. These are beautiful. But let's take them out, man. Let's take them out. Bam, there go one. Let's pull this other one out. Well, you know what? You know what it is. Get them out of there. Let's see what we at here. Y'all, we good? Okay. Bam. Straighten the shoe up, man. Hey, these boys, hey, these nice. These look like some dad shoes, but they nice. Something different. Like I said, I'm with all that. Something different. Something brings some y'all different to the thing. Look, hey, I think that they will be a dope shoe just to throw on and rock. Are these like the top of the line? Oh, I gotta have? No, but they are a shoe that you can go get right now for under $100. Yes, under $100. A dope collab, a different shoe. Hey, and you can't go wrong with them. I know the resellers copping everything going for over $150, if not more. But this is a dope shoe that you can get for under $100. Right now, they're on Undefeated website for $84. And they have a white pair or silver pair, same like this, same laces. And yeah, this is a dope shoe. Like I said, you can get for under $100. And they got some sizes left on there. So if you're looking to get them, you're looking to cop them, hey, this your shot, this your chance. Let's go into them a little bit. That gum bottom, if y'all know me, I'm a fan of this gum bottom. I like the gum bottom. You can wear it, you can get it dirty, you can do whatever you want with them. I think it was a nice touch to these. Also, you got that undefeated at the bottom heel there. You see the undefeated, the 5 stripes. And I don't know which model this is. I'm not an Adidas head, so don't quote me on that. You got the neighborhood right there with the Adidas on the side there. And also, you got the undefeated logo on the tongue. And hey, for y'all sleepers out there, y'all see that? Bam. The tongue do unzip. The tongue do unzip. So, for y'all, those that go jogging, to go running, and want to keep a little stash in there, or if you had and want to hide something from the cops, you know what I'm saying, keep a little stash, hey, do what you do. That's you. That ain't me. Do what you do. But it do have a zipper on the tongue. So, yeah, it's something different, something new, something, you know. I didn't even know that when I got these. So, something different, something new. I don't know when these actually released. But like I said, they sitting on Undefeated website for 84 bucks. And it's a dope shoe. Something, like I said, something to just throw on. It's an all black shoe. It's nothing crazy. It do got some hints of a little like carbon fiber on the back side of there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I like this cage heel look. It's so much on this shoe. Like I said, you got the carbon fiber woven. It's just so much to this shoe. Like I said, it's just a shoe. Like, it's not even nothing special, but it's just a shoe, something to rock. You got that Adidas in the inside, and something you ain't gonna see nobody with. And that's what the game is. Like, everybody want to go for the Travis's, Lee's, and I gotta get the Unions, and I gotta get this. Look, that's great. But you know what's gonna happen? You're gonna walk in somewhere and somebody else gonna have them all. Does that make the shoe, or do you make the shoe? So if you make the shoe, that means you can pull up any shoe you want to. So fuck what everybody else got on. Wear what you like. Wear what you want. Fuck the hype around shoes. Hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming at y'all with another banger. Yo, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hey, we on the road to 1,500. Hey, do me that favor, man. 1,500. Yo, only way to go is up from here. And hey, we making it happen. So, hey, be blessed, stay blessed, and always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.